Introduction. Marriage is an important aspect of Islam. In fact, it is an important aspect in most religions. Marriage has been advised in Islam as it safeguards and protects Muslims from many sins, such as illegal relationships. An important aspect of marriage, which many married couples seem to find difficult, is maintaining a good relationship with one's spouse. Failing to learn and act on this aspect of marriage is one of the main reasons why the divorce rate within the Muslim population has skyrocketed. Married couples will never find true happiness or peace in their homes unless they live together in a kind manner. Allah, the Exalted, commanded good companionship between a married couple as it helps to maintain the different aspects of life they will encounter, such as raising children, and it will bring them happiness. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 19.
And do not make difficulties for them in order to take back part of what you gave them, unless they commit a clear immorality. And live with them in kindness.
This is a command from Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, whoever violates this command has committed a sin. And whoever strives to fulfill it for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, will be greatly rewarded for their efforts. In fact, Allah, the Exalted, has commanded Muslims who divorce to treat each other kindly. Therefore, a married couple must strive even harder to treat each other kindly. Chapter 65 at Talaq, verse 2.
Either retain them according to acceptable terms, or part with them according to acceptable terms.
Therefore, this short book will discuss some of the aspects of maintaining a good relationship with one's spouse. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.